Hi everyone! It's me, Princess, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen page. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen page. For today's vlog. Hello eaters! Another rest day, another gala serie. Today I discover a Korean-inspired photo booth that will bring you in fantasy to go in Korea. So, if you're a fan of Korean drama or if you're planning to visit Korea and you are out of budget, I think this will be a good start of making your travel goal come true. And besides, this is not Korea, this is just in Philippines. So guys, if you want to know what's the exact location and how much it costs, just keep on watching and finish this video for more information. Later, I'm gonna show you how it looks like and where it is located, and of course, how's the experience. Before we start our vlog, here's the short montage of the place. So if you love taking picture, at the same time you are curious how Korean doing their music video, because we all know Korean have a very good music video when it comes to pop song. Aside from their song, of course, they are so creative when it comes to making a good studio design for their music video. So here's the shots that I have. I availed the elevator team and the train station team, and it turned out really good. So get ready with me. So just to get matched in the theme that I'm going to avail, let's dress something good. Let's do this photo shoot a little bit extra. So I'm just wearing a swimsuit, a black swimsuit from Shein. For my pants, I will be wearing a dark gray cargo pants, and for my shoes, I'm going to wear a New Balance sneakers. So it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Sobrang tirik yung araw, guys. So, lakad tayo. So I came from all the way from San Juan City. Now I'm going to ride a jeepney going to Calentong. From Calentong, I will just walk a little. Then in the other side of the road, there's a terminal of crossing. So I will just go ahead and ride a jeep going to crossing Starmont. For my transportation, I just paid 13 pesos from San Juan to Calentong. Then from Calentong to crossing, 13 pesos as well. So total of 26 pesos. Hi everyone, it's me, Princess. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen page. Hi guys, so for today's video, may gusto kong puntahan. It's a photo object. So marami silang branch sa Market and sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. So syempre, pupunta tayo kung saan tayo mas malapit. So finally, merong bagong bukas na branch dito sa SM Mega Mall. So pupuntahan natin siya. So mamaya itutur ko kayo and sasabihin ko yung exact location and the price. So let's go. So ayun guys, nalaman ko lang tong photo object na to sa Facebook. Meron kasi akong isang friend na nag-post ng picture na to, and akala ko sa Korea siya. So it's like a Korean inspired photo booth. So yun, gusto ko siya i-try, kaya pupuntahan natin
music video ng mga Korean idols. Yung parang nasa train, ganon. Nasa laundry, ganon. It's so nice, so I want to try it. So, punta natin siya. Ngayon nandito ako sa Shangri-La. On the way ako sa SM Mega Mall.
Probably 10 to 15 minutes walking. Makakarating ka na sa SM Mega Mall. Yung pangalan pala ng photo booth na pupuntahan natin is Photo Object. It is located at SM Mega Mall Building D. The exact location is in Mega Atrium. Makikita nyo yung Mega Atrium in 4th floor.
Guys, nandito na ako sa SM Mega Mall. So, this is SM Mega Mall Building D. As in Delta. So, ngayon, hanapin natin kung nasaan yung photo object. Upon searching, they are located at 4th floor atrium. So, punta tayo sa escalator. I think doon mas malapit yung atrium. So, aakyat na lang tayo ng 4th floor.
So, pagpasok nyo from the Mega Fashion Hall, makikita nyo yung hypermarket. May escalator doon paakyat, so akyat lang kayo hanggang 4th floor. Yung tinutukoy kong escalator is yung sa may hypermarket, if you are guys familiar. Bago nga ako tumuloy ngayon sa pupuntahan ko, nag-withdraw nga muna ako kasi mamaya wala silang cashless options. So, ayan, tama nga yung naging decision ko, wala silang cashless, wala silang thermal or Gcash. So, you have to prepare some cash if you are going to try this. So, ngayon nasa 4th floor na nga tayo. Ang gagawin na lang natin is takarin na lang natin ito. Diretso lang naman to guys. Then, sa kalagitnaan ng way nyo is makikita nyo yung signage na Mega Atrium. So, just turn right there. So, isa sa mga magiging sign nyo na medyo malapit na kayo sa Mega Atrium, kapag nakita nyo na yung Shakey's, diretso nyo lang yan guys, then makikita nyo yung signage na Mega Atrium. Ito na nga yung signage na Mega Atrium na sinasabi ko. So, malapit lang siya sa may Starbucks. So, kanan lang kayo dyan. Then, sa dulo, makikita nyo na yung ating photo object.
And super cool. So, ayan. Ayun na siya guys. So excited.
So now, finally, we are here at Photo Object. So, ito pala yung mga pricing nila. Pwede nyong i-post tong video na to, so para makita nyo yung pricing. Basically, nagre-range lang naman siya sa 200 to 250 pesos, depende sa size. So, in-avail ko nga yung size na 4x6. So, bali 2 copies nga yun. Then, sa labas pa lang, kitang-kita nyo na yung aesthetic vibes and Korean vibes. So, mafe-feel mo talaga na para kang nasa Korea. Bago nga kayo makapag-picture, kailangan nyo muna magbayad ng fee sa cashier area bago kayo mag-proceed sa picture taking. So, meron silang tatlong type ng studio dito. Ito yung pinaka-basic, which is standard. Para lang siyang normal na portrait picture. Then, meron silang elevator photo booth, which is para yun yung nakikita mo sa mga music video nila. Perfect talaga to sa couples, ganon, mag-sweet picture. So, sayang lang wala akong jowa, so wala akong makikesh. Charet. So, ayun, this is the standard. And lastly, this is the Subway Studio, which is, ito yung mas na-enjoy ko ng sobra. Nung nakita ko pa lang yung mga nakapost na picture dito, sobrang na-excite talaga ako ng bongga. Kaya talaga, kinabukasan talaga, pumunta na talaga ako dito sa studio na to. Another info bago ko pa makalimutan, meron pala sila ditong mga free suit like Korean uniform na pwede nyong hiramin kapag gusto nyo na mag-picture. And meron din sila dito mga accessories like hairband or sunglasses just to give you aesthetic vibes. Moving forward, this is the Subway Studio. Nakakatawa lang guys kasi sobrang bilis ng picture ng shuttle na ito. Nagmamadali pa ako. So, yun na. Lumabas na yung picture ko. Nakakatawa guys kasi sobrang bilis ng picture. So, kasi kailangan ko pa magawa. So guys, meron kayong 8 shots kapag nag-picture taking kayo. Then, pwede kayong mamili ng 4 to 6 picture in one frame. Depende sa in-avail nyo. No retake pictures, so this will be like a shuttle picture up to 8 picture. Then, you can choose in the end of your picture taking. Then, meron kayong hard copy and soft copy. Just make sure na i-download nyo lang yung nasa QR code para magkaroon kayo ng soft copy ng picture nyo. So, ang lalabas sa soft copy nyo is yung soft copy ng picture and the video upon taking pictures. So, gaya nga nung sinabi ko kanina, you guys have 8 picture, then you can choose 4 to 6 picture depending on the frame as final picture. Anyway guys, picture taking through phone is not allowed. So, I will just want to let you know that yung photo booth itself is meron siyang CCTV camera inside. So, just be careful guys. Kasi yun yung pinaka-embarrassment na nagawa ko sa loob ng photo booth. Akala ko kasi walang CCTV sa loob. Then, when I finished taking pictures, may CCTV pala and it is located yung footage mismo sa hallway.
Ayun, syempre, kung gagastos ka rin lang naman, so gawin mo na yung mga bagay na hindi mo inaakala magagawa. Meron palang CCTV doon sa loob ng photo booth. Hindi ko alam. Pero bakit ba? Who cares, diba? ko usually sa mga Korean music video and movies. So ayun, feeling ko talaga nasa Korea ako. Korea talaga ang dating ng photo object.
Overall, sobrang saya nung experience. Parang natupad yung 3% ng pangarap kong makapunta ng Korea. Perfect din to pang IG, guys. Sobrang nag-enjoy akong gawin. So, I hope sa susunod na gagawin ko to ulit, sana may jowa na ako para naman mag-cash kami sa, sa elevator. Anyways, so after ko nga sa photoshoot, kumain nga muna ako dito sa Kapsilugan. So, they are located in Pasay City. Sobrang dami nilang ino-offer dito like Tapsilog, Sizzling, Bulalong, Anli Wings, and Pancit, Hilao. Halos lahat na nga yata nandito. So, umorder lang kami ng chicken silog, then ako naman is bulalong. So, anyway guys, this will be the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next vlog. Bye!